Hello friends. Scrolling through an endless Excel sheet and losing your headers? That's a productivity killer. Today, I'll show you exactly how to freeze rows and columns in Excel, step by step, so your headers and labels stay in place, no matter where you scroll. Okay, let's jump right in. When you're dealing with large datasets, keeping headers and labels visible is crucial. Freezing panes in Excel keeps the key info right where you need it, helping you avoid confusion and costly errors. Here's our dataset. Let's start with the most common scenario, freezing the top row to keep your headers visible as you scroll down. To freeze top row, first click anywhere in your worksheet. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click Freeze Panes drop-down, then choose Freeze Top Row. Notice how the headers stay locked at the top, even as we scroll through hundreds of rows. Clean, simple, and effective. Next, let's freeze the first column. Great for keeping names or unique IDs visible while moving across multiple columns. Again, go back to the View tab. Click Freeze Panes, then select Freeze First Column. Now, no matter how far you move across the sheet, your row labels stay right in front of you. If you want to lock both a row and a column at the same time, here's how you do it. First, click the cell just below the row and to the right of the column you want to freeze. For example, to freeze row 1 and column A, click cell B2. Go to the View tab. Click Freeze Panes, then select Freeze Panes from the top of the drop-down. Boom! Now your headers and first column are always visible, no matter where you go in the worksheet. To unfreeze, go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes, then choose Unfreeze Panes. Now, you're back to your regular view. Always freeze panes before deep diving into big datasets. It'll save you time, confusion, and frustration. That's it. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.